Hello, welcome back to another video. I have an exciting job opportunity for you today. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also turn on your notifications so that you never miss an update. This is for a customer service representative with a company called Fortune Brands Innovations. This is a full-time customer service position, and here's a little bit about the company. At Fortune Brands Innovations, we believe that our innovation and success are fueled by the passion of our people and the strength of our teams. Together, we work to fulfill dreams of home by aligning around common goals, being agile in the face of change, holding ourselves accountable, and acting with integrity and transparency. We succeed when everyone belongs and strives to build a home for all, where all associates can be their true, authentic selves at work. And if you want to learn more about them, you can click the link there. Here's the job description. As the Associate Product Consultant, you are the voice of Moen that consumers interact with when they have product, installation, or warranty questions. You will provide world-class customer service to our consumers and receive over 200 hours of paid virtual training in Moen products to make sure you are ready to assist our customers. Prior to the completion of training and to ensure you are ready for the role, you'll be paired with a tenured teammate to prepare for success in your new career. Moen offers a competitive starting rate of $17 per hour with the possibility of overtime and benefits from day one, which include medical, dental, vision, monthly and annual bonus opportunities, paid time off, 401k, profit sharing, product discounts, and more. This position is 100% remote, and Moen provides all of the necessary equipment for you to be successful. If this sounds like the position for you, our next training will begin August 8th, 2023, with training hours of 9 a.m. to 5:30 Eastern Time. At the completion of training, hours will be Monday through Friday between 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time, or 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Time, or 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Time, or 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Time, depending on your geographic location. Now, this is what you'll be doing. Delivers a consumer experience that drives unsolicited, positive word-of-mouth advertisement for Moen Incorporated. Manages inbound calls from consumers to resolve product and technical support issues. This includes identifying and determining the problem and cause and explaining the best resolution. Efficient use of technology to assist consumer with identification of product, explanation of resolution, and technical support, and instruction for repair and or installation of service, kit, or product. Negotiate solutions in challenging, sensitive consumer situations that have a positive outcome for both the consumer and Moen. Maintains professional composure during interactions. Records consumer demographics, product information, and troubleshooting efforts as required, and performs other duties and or special assignments as needed. The qualifications for this position: high school diploma or equivalent required, 2 years experience in a customer service environment required, call center experience preferred, excellent professional communication skills required, English Spanish or English French bilingual, capabilities are a plus, and start at a higher salary. Must be able to thrive in a work environment that demands high level focus, low mobility, and high observation. Must be available for training August the 8th, 2023 through September 1st, 2023, and October 31st, 2023 to December 19th, 2023. And these dates may change. Must be able to work a flexible schedule and equally share in all schedule rotations and business hours deployed by department if needed. You must have the necessary internet speed requirements, have a safe and secure workplace, and follow department remote work policy. Now, some of the benefits of this position: 100% remote position, diverse, inclusive, and welcoming culture with employee resource groups, self-led career development program with rewarding pay increases, annual merit increases and company bonus opportunities, medical, dental, and vision coverage from day one, paid time off from day one, tuition reimbursement, 401k with company match up to 3%, and profit sharing. The salary for this position is $33,900 to $41,420 with a typical starting pay of $35,500. And here's more information about the company. It says Fortune Brands Water Innovations is a multi-brand plumbing business that is inspiring people by designing beautiful experiences with water. To apply for this position, you will click the I'm interested button. You would upload your resume, enter your information, and then go from there. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video. I hope that you found it to be helpful. The job links are in the description box below. Now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more job opportunities. And of course, I wish you all the best of luck. Until next time, bye.